Hello friends, today's topic, rent your bank account, a new scam. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial awareness of society. This is a new scam that people have to be aware of. It is called renting a bank account scam. It is flourishing through personal and social media led arrangements. Many innocent account holders have been facing criminal charges because of this. What is bank account renting? It means providing a bank account for use by another. The person who is giving his account on rent is either paid a lump sum or paid in installments over varying time periods. The account holders are promised 1 to 5% of the funds that are transacted via their accounts or a large one-time payment. Usually, these transactions involve large sums such as 1 crore, and hence the account holder is promised a payout of Rs 50,000 to 1 lakh per day. When people are offered lump sum payments and not percentage of the money transferred in the account, the amount was 20,000 to 50,000. However, the lump sum amount was paid upfront. Sometimes fraudsters ask the account holder to withdraw the money and travel to a destination specified to make the payment in person. In such cases, the account holders offer added compensation such as covering travel and stay expenses for face-to-face transactions. The fraudsters are known to approach people who are in need of money, such as someone who has lost their job and has to meet a big expenses like a hospital bill. The victims of this scam may also be small businessmen who are in urgent need of funds to pass through a difficult phase. Usually, the fraudsters contact people through social media. Usually, the fraudsters ask them to share the login details of the bank account and send them the SIM card connected to the account since OTPs are received by SMS. The account holders are asked to use an alternate number for their daily use. What are these accounts used for? These accounts are then used by criminals such as stock market scamsters or money launderers to move funds around. Bank accounts are taken largely for two purposes. A. Routing gaming money. B. Routing stocks related money. Account holders are told that gaming money is what people have won by playing online real money games and what they want hidden from income tax department. Account holders are always in the dark about the source of funds. They will also have no way of knowing if their accounts are holding laundered money or profits earned from running pump and dump scam in the stock market. The source of money could also be money earned by offering illegal investment advice or any other illegal activity. There are various orders issued by SEBI in which people who are investigated claim that they were not aware that their bank accounts are being used to collect proceeds from pump and dump operations or from running illegal investment advisories. These people claim that they had rented out an account to a person they knew, such as an employer or a family friend, during the time of financial distress. Fraudsters typically look for current accounts with cash management products, which may allow making bulk payments easier by allowing one-click payment to multiple accounts. What are the risks for account holders? Since the account holder's account is used for various illegal activities, in case a crime is caught by any authorities such as police, SEBI, etc., then the account holder is fully liable for any proceedings such as payment of fine or imprisonment. Account holders could also be cheated financially since in many cases the fraudsters ask them to place a deposit in the bank account to maintain a minimum balance. Then they vanish with that account and the account holder is left with no legal recourse. So be careful and don't allow anybody to operate your bank account for any reason. End of the video, here is the question. Have you or anybody you know been approached for this rent a bank account scam? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the subscriber to this account, please subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.